Hey there, Meme Squad. Ever wondered what memes would sound like with epic sound effects? Alright, first up we've got the classic cat jump meme. But imagine it with a Brew H reverb. I mean, come on, that's meme gold. Next, check out this person taking a tumble. Now let's spice it up with a Vine boom. Instant comedy upgrade, right? How about we mash things up and remix your favorite memes with sound effects? Drop a comment and rate these sound effects out of 10. And hey, don't forget to hit that like button if you laughed. Thanks for watching, and remember, life's better with memes and sound effects. Catch you in the next challenge.